Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. You can see a piece of cloth in my hand. So I was just trying to do a DIY with this top. So I lately I thought to share this with you all. So I started it, but then I thought I should complete it with a video. So this is a very old top of mine, maybe 3 to 4 years back I got this top, and it's cute and its color is very nice, which pops up my skin tone instantly. So I don't want to leave this top basically, and it is a long top. You can see it was this long. I have just cut this portion, and just to show you all, I just pinned it up so that I can show you the length. So it was covering my waist. You can see the length like this. Actually like this, huh? So it was covering my waist like this. It was, and I liked it at the beginning, so I used to wear it without tucking it in. And it also had a small loop of button at the end, but the loop it broke, and I just cut it off and removed that loop, and I'm thinking of making a loop and for this button. So here is a piece of cloth came out from this only. So basically it was a hip length top, and it had two loops at both the ends like this to insert a belt. There was a belt of the similar fabric that was also this thin. So I don't know where is that belt. I tried finding it, but I was not able to find that. So I removed the loop because I don't want a belt for a crop top. So I just removed it, and I'm thinking of making a loop from this part which I have taken away from the waist end, and I'll create this over here. I'll attach it over here to insert this button. So this is my idea, the first idea, and the second one is to cut it down to make it a crop top. So I simply cut this part, and first I measured my length till my belly button using a inch tape. Where is that? Yes, there's a measuring tape. So I used this measuring tape to measure the length, and I took 1 inch extra, and I just marked that using a pen, and then I made a straight line using a scale. Don't worry, I'm not going to do anything extraordinary or something which will for which you need to come out of your comfort zone and do something like that. So I'll do things very simple because I am also very lazy and I cannot do anything which is extraordinary. So I've just cut this portion, and I'll just remove the pin. So it has become short, but not till my belly button. It's more than that. So I just thought of folding this, and in the similar way, I'll show you. 1 second. Huh? Let me remove this safety pins. I inserted 4 safety pins just to show you the length, so that you get an idea that what was the length of the top. So this is the portion which was removed from the end, which was covering my hip area, and actually it was looking like a long top. So I just removed this portion, and now it is up to this length. It is not entirely cropped because I don't wear crop tops a lot, and I don't like skin showing at my belly area. So I've just made this top in a little length. So first I'll just fold it and do some stitching thing from the ends in the similar way how it is done at the top. Every top has this, right? So I'll do that stitching similarly with my hand because I don't have machine. So I'll do it. I'll sew it with my hands. I'll use my hands to sew it. So once I'm done with this part, then I'm going to I just wore it without sewing. I just cut it, and I was wearing it just to check that what will be the length, or will it look nice or not. So it was looking cute. It was looking like a short t-shirt. I'll use a needle and a thread which is available. I do not have. Yes, I have it in red color. I was not knowing. Yes, so I'll use this red thread. It's not entirely red, but it's okay to match. So I'll use this, and I'll stitch the lower portion of the top. So I've done the required changes. I had to fix this part. The loop was missing. Actually, the loop was broken, and I removed that loop and created some other loop. And also I have cut short this to this length, and I hope it's looking pretty cool and smart than this previous look. I'll share this previous look somewhere over here, previously how this top used to look like. So I'll share the picture somewhere here, somewhere over here, and then you can compare it. It's very simple, it's very easy, and with a simple work you can make it look more elegant and more smart and casual. So stay tuned for more such videos with the help of which you can just transform your very good or your favorite clothes which are not able to wear just because of few things. You can just transform those things, just repair those, and you can again wear them. It's looking cool. I'm liking it. So thank you. Bye bye.